Oh, there we go.
And your chicken? Yeah, you're going to do the rest? You're supposed to finish it. Yeah. Are you a kitty? You're not a kitty. Holy crap, you did this all wrong. Ow. Are you a kitty cat? Where's your kitty? Where's your cat? That's it. Ruffin, that's a dog, right? Yeah, and that's a telephone. And I don't know what that was. Kitty, you think? No. How about beep beep? Or beep beep? Beep beep. Beep beep.
Frozen.
See me up.
Stop it.
He broke a funny fuse.
See me up, Scotty. Peekaboo. What you call a kid? Huh? Where's Tanya?
Fuck you. You know what she calls you? Sounds like she's going way away.
No, she says my name and then she calls Colin.
No, the first time.
What's in there?
It's gonna be like a video that fucking you can be only stoned to laugh at. You're gonna get lots of hits. Fuck.
Yeah, you think it's cute when she tries to eat your fingers.
Just chilling. Some puppies here. You know that? Oh, lots of fluffies. Lots of fluffies. So where would you like me to scratch? Right there. Right there.
I don't want to be in it.
You're not.
Right there. Or how about right there?
Hey, Mom, guess what?
Not there? Okay.
This is going on YouTube.
Oh, no.
Oh.
All right, bird. You want to go back to your house? So you want to go?
Yeah. Make sure you stop it before it gets to 10 minutes.
10 minutes. It's at 22.
22?
Left.
Oh, no. That's fine. No, oh shit, that will tell you how long it's been. So
You are my precious.
Mom, don't hang out with birds again.
Do it and then I'll get Tanya's face.
Okay, you know what? Do it. You know, yeah.
Yeah, do it.
I'll put it on YouTube for sure.
Yeah, do it.
Hi, baby. How are you? Oh, look at you. Yeah, I know. Just lovely. Yeah. What's she doing?
Oh, I think that's
I know. Uh-oh, she's gonna peek. Yeah, Tanya pulled a sneaky. Yeah,
I sure did.
Your tail. Yes, you did.
So why doesn't she like you?
I don't know. I used to annoy the bird. That's how annoying I was when I was a child. My parents didn't give me enough attention, so I...
Took note of the bird.
Yeah.
Sure.
At least you didn't shoot like airsoft guns at it or anything.
No.
I remember that.
Actually,
I
we
did that
used
to
to
a
throw
cat.
stuff at the cage if the bird wouldn't show up. Shut up. Like, when we were like watching TV, the bird would just start like walking.
If you put like a sheet over their cage in there in the dark, so they think it's night and they'll go to sleep. Yeah.
Yeah, not this bird.
Oh.
If the bird doesn't want to be in over covers, it will squawk.
Yeah.
So that's why she just lets it have its own corner.
Well, I had a cover on her cage, and then she'd shoot little peepholes through it. So she'd be sitting on her perch with a little eyeball peeping through the hole, talking to me.
This bird is a creeper.
So now she just
Totally
goes
got
to sleep.
stalkerish eyes.
I know.
She just goes to sleep in her cage when she wants to, and sometimes she's out. Right, baby?
Yeah. Just gave me the I'm the favorite child.
You're gonna be famous.
Yes, I know. Since I won't let you chew on my clothes, my finger's the alternative. I know. She's a you know, like cats use their paws, and she chews. Yeah. If she could, she would pop holes all around my collar.
I'm bored.
What is there to do?
I know.
Smoke that joint.
Well, eventually.
You ready to go back to your house now?
Do you want some pizza?
No. Bird is eating it.
Bird ate your pizza?
No. Oh no.
Bird can have some.
Give it to the bird.
Don't break my finger.
Yo, for the music for this little YouTube video, you should do bird is the word.
Oh my god.
Yeah, for sure.
No, that is not a pizza.
God. What's the first up? Right.
She likes pizza. I'm gonna take it from you. Okay, go on, bird. Ow!
Bird hates me.
Okay, bird. There.
Motherfucker.
You better watch. One of these days she just might say it back.
Come here. There you go.
Oh my gotcha. Yeah, you're my subject. I got you. Oh, careful. Oh my goodness.
You can put her away now.
I know she's playing.
That's okay. Play
She's playing.
over there.
Yeah, she's playing. Yes. I know.
Can I poke her in the eye?
So grouchy. Jeez. All right, we're going, okay? There you go. Oh, what's that?
Okay, you can turn that off now.
You don't
Why?
want to go back.
Because it's pointing directly at me.
Don't stop.
I'm fine.
Come out.
You're not even in the